Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2014 Town & Country. Town & Country's V6 engine provides plenty of power while still providing the fuel efficiency you look for in a vehicle. Tow up to 3,600 pounds when your Town & Country is equipped with a towing prep package. Seat 7 comfortably and choose from stow and go seating or the innovative swivel and go seating, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 130,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sunroof, electronic stability control, heated outside mirrors, power mirrors, traction control, remote keyless entry, auto headlight on/off, power tailgate, power sunroof, rear window defroster. Your new ride is just a phone call away.